Yeah, there isn't. Okay, yeah, here we go. Okay, go left.
Okay, go straight up over your head.
You know, just shut up! Here we go, pivot.
Pivot.
Whoa. Whoa. Welcome to
Six Flags.
Call of Duty. Advanced Xbox One.
Coffee that.
Come.
Whoa.
Hey guys, I'm Hulk Hogan. Stay with me for the next hour. I'm gonna show you my shins. Bro.
Grilled vegetables. Finally, a grill that grills up your best. Your Hulk Hogan grill into a skillet. Panini sandwich press. Panini sandwich press. Hulk Hogan's Ultimate Panini Sandwich Grill.
Stay with me for the next Hulk Hogan's Ultimate Video Game. My latest invention. Brother. I'm gonna show you my ultimate grill.
Panini Sandwich.
Brother. Hey guys. Brother. Ultimate grill.
Final boss.
It's me, Hogan.
Oh, son of a bitch!
If you get in line now, we'll have everybody on it by Thursday.
What? No! No! Sweetie!
Tucker,
6 hours! 6 hours!
6 hours.
Do you want to play again?